Hello, I'm Sonic Bob 94. I would like to appreciate the Nordic Track treadmill downstairs. I got it from Craigslist though, because I have to check it out for it. And now go downstairs. There you go. This is the new treadmill. I got it from Craigslist. It's Nordic Track Point 288-2800. And you will need a 25CH commercial dual X tool, P15 LB deck capacity, oversized 20-30-55 quiet belt, 7 flat screen TV, dual soft B, cushioning, space saver, lifetime motor warranty. And now let's take a look. This is the new coolest buttons I ever. It says start button 0%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Incline is 2 buttons, and it says the buttons is iFit, fan, display, walk, jog, run programs. It says the display mode. You will need fan speed mode. It says time, distance, and there's no TV on it. You will need cable. Actually, for buying splitter for now. Nordic Track treadmill. You will press the volume buttons, power mode, and channels. And this is on the stop mode. It says speed button is 0 miles per hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just only press the button. There's no TV on it. You'll need cable unless no remote. And now, unless no remote there, you will need to buy something at Walmart, Cox, Kmart, Sears, everything. And also Best Buy though. And you will need a feel for the workout. You will need a feel for workout. And make sure on Craigslist, it's Point 2800. I got it from Craigslist though, from this month. Nordic Track Point 2800. I got it from Craigslist though. You will need a headphone jack, and what else? Once audio jack in. And you will need to press fan speed low, fan speed medium, fan speed high. This is the fan ever. Thanks for watching for Sonic Bob 94 treadmill from the Nordic Track Point 2800. Goodbye.